Hello and welcome back to our channel of Free Trade Analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end. And you guys do not miss on any of the profitable discussions that we do on regular basis, and we give you guys profitable trades on every day. Okay, so now without wasting any further time, let us go straight to the charts of gold versus US dollar, GBP versus US dollar, which is the British pound, and Euro versus US dollar, which is also known as Euro USD pair. Okay, so we will be discussing the Monday and Tuesday markets, which is the 8th of July and 9th of July market from where we left off. And we will be giving you the next scenario for the 10th of July, which will be the Wednesday. Okay, so let us go straight to the charts. Okay, so when we were discussing the markets on Friday closing, gold was trading over here, and you guys can see that market created this CME gap, then market filled this gap, and then market started to come down. So if you guys remember that we were bullish in this gold pair, so once market closed above our minor area of support of 2376 from here, we could maybe take a long position, something like this. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit could be over here at a 0.5% level. But for that, let us go to the 15 minutes chart to figure it out further that did market immediately went down, or before going down market first went up and hit our take profit of 0.5%. Okay, that is clear in front of you guys. So let us go back to the 1 hour chart, and let us see which further scenarios were hit. Okay, so after that market did not give us any further buying opportunity above our area of minor support market, then rather this minor support area started to behave as an short-term area of resistance, and you guys can see that market reacted from this area over here and then over here as well, and then all of a sudden market fell and market came to our major support area, and which is beautifully marked right in front of you guys. And if you guys would have taken trades from here, then maybe you guys would have made some good profit. Okay, so this was the first basic entry of our trades. This was our stop loss, and our take profit will be approximately over here at least. Okay, so this will be our take profit, giving us a 1.6% profit. Okay, then market stayed above our area of major support, and then market gave us a second opportunity after market tested our major support area once again over here, and this trade would be very well still be running. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit would have only gone to a 0.23% so far. Okay, so we are still bullish in this gold pair, which is the gold versus US dollar. And if you guys are looking for some good entries, then we are still looking for some buying positions. And for tomorrow, which is the 10th of July, let me just simply move forward these scenarios so you guys can easily take trades in this in this gold versus US dollar. And if you guys have any questions, we are always here and ready to help you guys in any way possible. So let me know if anything is making you guys confused. Okay, so that's all. So let us move forward to the next pair, which is the British pound versus US dollar, GBP versus US dollar. Okay, so let us just wait for a little while and let the chart get loaded. Okay, so when we were discussing the GBP USD market previously, market was trading over here, and then market created this CME gap, and then market filled this gap in the very next candle, and then market gave us a few selling opportunities. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. So let me take all the possible trades. So this will be our first possible entry. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 0.6% profit. Then again market tested our area of resistance and closed below over here. So from here we could again take a short position over here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit could be approximately over here, giving us a 1.3% profit. Then market continued to go up, and once market closed above our major area of resistance, and if you guys were a risky buyers, you guys could have taken a good buying position over here. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit could be approximately somewhere around here. Let us go to the 15 minutes chart and check it out, that if we hit our stop loss first or take profit. And you guys can clearly see that we hit a level of approximately 0.8% first, and then market continued to go down. Okay, so this means that we would have made a profit of 0.8% if you guys would have taken this risky buying position. Okay, then market continued to go down and close below over here, and over here market gave us two good opportunities to sell further. Okay, so let me take these selling opportunities. Okay, so this will be, let me put it over here. Okay, so this will be our first entry over here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a take profit of 2.6%. Then again market tested our area of resistance and closed below. So we could take an entry over here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 3% profit straight away. Then once again market tested our area of resistance and closed below with this candle. From here we could again take a short position. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle. Our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 1.3% profit. Okay, then the next possible entry will be over here. Stop loss will be just approximately over here. Our stop loss will be just above this candle, and our take profit will be over here, giving us a 1.7% profit. Okay, then after this candle closing, we could take a short position over here, but market did not really give us any opportunity, so we would have hit a stop loss. And then again over here, this will be another possible entry. Our stop loss will be over here, and our take profit would be less than 0.3%, which means we would have hit a stop loss. Okay, then again this will be our last possible entry. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit would be approximately so far 0.7%. Okay, and then you guys can see that market just nicked almost nicked our minor area of support. You guys can see over here. So if market closes with a good green candle, you guys can take a long position after that closes. And for now we are still bullish in this GBP USD pair. So let me just simply move forward these scenarios so you guys can easily take trades in this GBP USD pair. And if you guys have any questions, you guys can ask us anything in the comments section. Okay, so I have moved forward the major scenarios. Okay, so just be vigilant and take the right trades tomorrow, which will be the Wednesday on the 10th of July. Okay, so now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the Euro USD pair. Okay, so in Euro USD pair, you guys can see that when we were discussing, market was trading approximately over here. So once market tested our short-term area of support and closed with a good green candle, we could have taken a buying entry over here. Okay, so let me take the entries for you guys so you guys can easily understand. So this will be our first possible entry over here. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle. Okay, and our take profit could be approximately over here at a 0.5% level. Let us go to the 15 minutes chart, and you guys can see that we hit the 0.85% level first. So let us go back to the 1 hour chart. Okay, and then afterwards market hit our area of short-term support once again and closed with a very green candle right next to it. This will be our entry. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and we will be hitting a take profit of approximately 0.5%. Okay, and then afterwards you guys can see that once again market tested our area of short-term support and closed above. So from here we could again take a buying entry like this. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle. Our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 0.8% profit. And then again market close above our area of support, short-term support over here, and over here we could again take a long position like this. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit could be possibly over here. For that, let us go to the 15 minutes chart. Okay, so in the 15 minutes chart we are again 50-50 because market has went down and up in the same 15 minutes. Okay, so in the 5 minutes charts you guys can clearly see that market went down and up in the same momentum. So if we go to the 1 minute chart, and you guys can see it for yourself that in the 1 minute chart market first went up and hit our take profit of 0.98, and after the second minute onwards market started to go down. Okay, so in this trade we would have hit a 0.9% profit as well. Okay, and other than that market has remained sideways, and we are still bullish in this euro USD pair, and the areas of resistance and support are going to remain same. So let me just simply move forward the scenarios for you guys. So if you guys have any questions, you guys can ask us in the comment section, and you guys can easily give us your feedback. If you guys do not understand anything, we are always here and ready to help you guys as much as possible. Okay, so this is simply the method, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profit in this Euro USD pair. And that's all for today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Till then, just hit the subscribe button, and also do not forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.